Tanya with RC Solutions, and I have just a quick little flip that I want to show you. And I made this out of my Gelli printed pages, or some of them anyway. And I've used a combination of different papers and things, and I'll just tell you along the way. So to start out, the cover, the background, I used some Graphic45 Curtain call, and that's where the Jazz Age and this designer background paper comes from. And this cover right here, this comes from Livies Lovelies. She has it's a journal kit called Legendary Women, and that's where this is. And I just kind of fussy cut out Josephine Baker, and this is actually a pocket, so this slides in here. I printed this out twice and then fussy cut out her and the flowers, and added them to some black cardstock, and then I also printed out another copy of the paper and then added it to the black cardstock. So we have this going on. So I'm just going to leave this in here. And this is just one of the words from a Life Words digital kit, Live Your Best Life. And that's what some of these legendary women did. They lived their best life. Okay, so then this opens up. Well, before that, actually, there's a pocket right here. A little side pocket. And so this is going to open up like so. And I just took the piano, it says it's a jazz kind of music theme. I just took the little bits and pieces of the Graphic45 Curtain call. I had the piano on there. And then this right here, this where it says 1, this is from Ljbinstaprints. She has an Etsy digital kit called Junk Journal Elements, Numbers Elements 4. And it has some like different shapes of numbers and stuff like that on there. And I thought that was really cute because I love the colors, and I thought that worked really well with the journal. So this right here is like a little tuck spot, so you can put something back here. And this opens up, and you have like a little tuck spot right here. And then here's another one of the legendary women, Billie Holiday. It's part of Livies Lovelies kit on her Etsy shop. It's very pretty, and these make great journaling spots. And then I just put some old book pages in here. And then in the center, you have a pocket here and a pocket here, and then there's a tuck spot right here. Let me find something smaller, something less a little thick. So yeah, but you can put something down in there, like this tag right here. I think this one's small enough to fit down in there, like that. Yeah. And then right here, let me just flip that back. This is like a little record. I fussy cut this out of the Graphic45 Curtain call, and I kind of bend it a little bit. I added some glossy accents to it, and then I use it as a tuck spot. And then this is a pocket. And I stitched around some of these, some of the pages in here. I'm still working on my stitching, so guys, go easy on me. And it's a little pocket here. And then this flips over. And then you have just a journaling page here. And then this flips open. Let me just kind of give you an idea of just how this goes. Let me zoom out a little bit. So this opens like so, and that closes back. This, you have your pocket here, and then this flips out and opens, and then there's a tuck spot right here, so I can actually tuck this here if I wanted to, or tuck this there. I might tuck that there. And then I have this little folder or envelope. This is part of a freebie kit from my Facebook page. It's the age stamps, and it's on my Facebook page. It's a freebie commercially used kit. This envelope comes from there, and I just added some little stickers and some washi tape and stuff. And then you can just put some ephemera inside of there. Here's another one of the legendary women, Lena Horne. And then this right here, I just folded it up. It's just a piece of paper. This one comes from Memories and Treasures. So I'm just going to put this back like so. And then there's a pocket here. Fold that back down, and then here's the back. And it's similar to the front. It's got the Graphic45 Curtain call paper, and then it's got this piano. And then I just have Live and Let Live. That's part of my Life Force digital kit. And then I just added some stickers on here, and then went around it with a marker. And then I have a little stitching on my Gelli printed paper. So let me just stick this here. So this is basically it. So I'm just going to flip it through. So here, this opens up. Have a pocket. This opens up. This flips back down. And then this flips over. So that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys like this video, this quick little share. And I just want to let you know my inspiration for like doing these little glossy accents and backing things up on black cardstock. I learned a lot of this from Anna's Paper Creations, and I'm not sure if she's still crafting or not, but on her channel, that's where she is just a great, just an awesome designer. Or crafter. I mean, she has so many techniques and so many detailed crafts and stuff. So check that channel out. Most of you guys probably have already checked her out and have already subscribed and stuff. But it's really awesome. And also, go and check out some of the digital kits that I used in here, like this one from Lovelies on Etsy, and I'll have a link in the description, as well as Ljbinstaprints, because that's a great Etsy shop too. I've used some other stuff with Ljbinstaprints. So, but yeah, go check out some of those, and I'll have a link in the description where you can access some of these. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, click like, share, comment, and subscribe, and check out my blog and social media sites. And thanks for watching.